HumbleBundlecom review. Is Humble Bundle legit or a scam? HumbleBundlecom review. Is Humble Bundle legit or a scam? If you're a gamer or software enthusiast, you've likely seen Humble Bundle offers and wondered if it's trustworthy. Most people get this wrong by mistaking it for a typical online store. The surprising truth is that Humble Bundle is completely legitimate and has a unique business model that benefits both customers and charities. You won't believe what happens next. Humble Bundle sells games, ebooks, and software in bundles at discounted prices while letting buyers choose how much goes to developers, charities, or Humble itself. Many users praise the platform for its affordability, germ-free options, and frequent deals. Payments are secure, and you receive official keys or downloads directly from verified sources. However, keep in mind that bundle contents are limited-time offers, and some bundles may not be compatible with every system. Always check the system requirements before purchasing. In conclusion, Humble Bundle is a trustworthy platform for budget-conscious buyers who enjoy supporting charities. It's legit, reliable, and offers excellent value for gamers and software enthusiasts alike.